In this video, I show you how to send email on Gmail on the phone. It's quick and easy. Let's begin. To send emails using Gmail, you must have a Gmail email address set up and logged into the Gmail app on your phone. If you are unsure how to make a Gmail address set up and log into the Gmail app on your phone, check out the video linked in the comments. Now open up your Gmail app and you will see a pen icon named Compose. Tap on it. Now in the To field, type the email address of the person you want to send the email to. You can add multiple email addresses here. Next, in the subject field, type a subject line about the email. It helps the recipient understand the purpose of your email. Next, in the large text field below the subject line, type your message. If you want to attach files such as documents, images, or videos, you can do it by tapping on the clip icon. This allows you to select files from your phone to the email. Now, before sending the email, check if everything is okay. When you are ready, tap this blue send button. This will send your email to the recipients. Your email has been sent. You can find it in your sent folder in Gmail. And the recipients will receive it in their inbox. That's it. I hope the video helped you. Please like the video. It helps me. Thank you.